Okay, so this, I guess, is part 3. This is going to take all day, isn't it? So basically, 1 2/4 is equal to 6/4. So these two are the same fraction. We see it right here, 1 2/4, but we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces shaded in, and each of those pieces are cut into 4 pieces. So these two fractions, one being mixed and one being improper, are the same. So this is pretty cool. We can see it through a picture representation. So here's what I'd like for us to do. I'd like for us to look at some of these. Now at the top of this, it says mixed numbers, and yeah, we're gonna kind of change it up just a little bit. We're gonna look at each of these. We're gonna come up with the mixed number, but we're also gonna come up with the improper fraction for it. So let's look at letter A. We have 1, 2, and 1/4. But I'm also want to come up with my improper fraction. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shaded pieces, and each of those pieces are cut into 4 sections. So that denominator is going to be the same on both of those. Okay, this next one, 1, 2, 3, 3 whole, and 1/3. 3 and 1/3 is my mixed number. Now let's count up how many pieces are shaded all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be 10/3. These are equal to one another. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3/5. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that equals 23/5. Again, how do you get your bottom denominator? How do you get that denominator? It's however many pieces one of the shaded pieces, or one of the shaded figures is cut into. They're all going to be cut into the same pieces. We don't want to add those together. We just want to look at what they're cut into, and that's the denominator. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 whole, and 1/2. And this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 halves. 11 halves, not 11 tooths like we talked about the other day, but I have 11 halves. So 1, 2, 3, and 2/4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14/4. Pretty cool, right? Okay, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4/5. And that's the same as 5, 10, 15, 20, 4/5. So on this sheet, we were able to find not only the mixed number, but the improper fraction for each of those picture representations. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so I'm just going to show you one more thing, and then after that, I'm going to kind of be done for today, and I'm going to have you guys work on doing basically what I did just right here, okay? You're going to look at a picture representation and give me the improper fraction and the mixed number. But let's look at this just very quickly. So this one says to shade in 3 2/5 of the picture. Okay, well, my goodness, there's a ton of pictures here. We don't need to shade all those in. We're just going to shade in 3 2/5. So I just need to shade in 1, 2, 3, and then 2 of the 5. And there I have 3 2/5. The next one says 4 3/4. So I'm going to shade in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 whole ones, and then 2 of the 4. See, so it's pretty simple. Whenever they give us our fractions or mixed numbers, that's how we're going to shade those in. Let's do one more, and then I think we'll be finished with this. So this one says shade in 2 2/4. So we need to shade in 2 whole fractions, two whole pictures, and then 2 of the 4. Okay, so that's shading them in, making the mixed number on a picture. This right here is pretty much what we need to be able to do today, is be able to look at a picture and be able to find the mixed number and the improper fraction and realize that they are the same. They are equal to one another. And that's why whenever we start tomorrow actually changing them using math instead of using a picture, it will make a little bit more sense because you'll know that they are the same number. Okay, so I'm sorry for the third part here, but just watch all 3 videos, and then the next thing you need to do is to do your Google assignment. Bye guys, have a great day.